Hey, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today we're gonna make an absolutely delicious jalapeno cornbread. Now, I know it's the holidays, and I know you want that cornbread on your table. Now, we're gonna do it a little different this year. Hey, check this out. A little bit of cheese, some jalapenos with a delicious cornbread. Hey, I got you in the game. Now, without further ado, let's get this jalapeno cornbread on your table, and let's focus on this recipe. We're gonna start off with our jalapenos. Now, I love my heat, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut these jalapenos up, right? I'm gonna use some of these for the top, and I'm not worrying about the core because I want just a little bit of that heat. That'll be for, you know, the garnishment, and then for the actual jalapenos, right? That's gonna go into this cornbread. I'm just gonna slice them, and then I'm gonna dice them. Like I said, I'm not worried about the seeds. The seeds are gonna provide a little bit of that heat. And you can core them out if you like, but I want a little bit of that heat in this recipe. I said, if you don't want the seeds or you don't want the heat, hey, remove those seeds and just take that core out like so, or you can use a spoon if you like. When you core that jalapeno out, most of that heat is gone. And then, like I said, take all the seeds out if you don't like the heat. And then, fam, just like what I did before, you're gonna take this jalapeno and you're gonna slice it, and then you're gonna come back and dice it. Now, fam, I got me an 8-ounce block of cheese. So what I'm gonna roll with, actually I got two 8-ounce blocks. I'm gonna go with the whole block and a half, and we're gonna break this cheese. Like I said, it's gonna be a cheesy cornbread, right? Fam, this is why I like grate my cheese, because at the end, you get that pot of gold right there. And you already know we got to get this bad boy taste test. Yes, sir. Right. We got our flour. We're going in with yellow cornmeal. Now make sure that this is cornmeal and not cornmeal mix. We got a little bit of garlic powder. We got some onion powder. We got some bacon powder. And then we got some sugar. So I want to get all the ingredients mixed up well before I start adding in my other ingredients. Now I got 2 cups of buttermilk that we'll pour in. And then I'm going in with 4 eggs. It's in there. I'm gonna add a cup of melted butter. We're gonna get everything mixed in nice and well. And if you want to use like a hand mixer, you definitely can do so at this time. Do what you need to do. Again, this is your show, your kitchen. Hey, do what you need to do to get you in the game. Now, all we got to do is get those jalapenos in there. So I did say it was going to be a jalapeno cornbread, right? And then, fam, we're going in with some sweet corn, drained. I'm gonna go in with a handful of cheese, and I'm gonna leave some to top this cornbread. So as you can see right here, I had a mountain. I got this left over. This is gonna be for our topping. Now what I want to do is I want to take all these ingredients and then fold these ingredients together. And then once we got all these ingredients folded in together, fam, we're gonna be in the game. This is gonna elevate your Thanksgiving table. Like I said, the traditional cornbread I already know is good, but hey, throw a little twist on there, and you're gonna have your family asking where you got this recipe. And I know, fam, you gonna share this recipe with your fam. So we in the game. So now what we want to do is we want to preheat our oven 350 degrees, and we're gonna place it in the oven and let it do its thing. Now you're probably asking, where's the salt? Now here's the thing. I'm using salted butter, so I don't need any salt for this recipe. Now if you were going with unsalted butter, I would say a couple pinches of salt would absolutely do. We're gonna go in this cast iron pan for today, and you know, I just want to get this bad boy buttered up so it doesn't stick. And I'm gonna tell you, man, if you don't have no cast iron pans in your arsenal, hey, I'm gonna link some in the description box below so you can get you some. I know they'll have some on some good Black Friday deals, but a good cast iron pan will have you a lifetime in the game. All right, fam, we just get that mixture into our cooking pan. Like I said, I'm going with cast iron. If you want to go with a casserole dish, you can. You know, a 9x12, you can. But this is a nice 12-inch cast iron pan. Everything is smooth, so you can have even cooking. Make sure that top is smoothed out as much as possible. And once you got an even top, then you can finish this recipe up. We're going back in with some cheese on top. And get your cheese as evenly distributed as you can. Take your time, because Thanksgiving, that's the epic meal, right? You want to make sure everything is looking fantastic for everybody that's coming over to your house. So, fam, that's why we cut that jalapeno. We gonna do a little jalapeno topping. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you do the toothpick test to make sure that this is done, but we're ready to go. So we're going to cut into it. Look at that. You got that crispy cheese and the softness of that cornbread. So you want to make sure you get all the way in there. And it's still a little bit on the hot side because I want it to come out warm. But I'm going to get me a piece of that cheese. I'm ready for that cheese, that crunchy cheese. All right, fam. We're going to get this out the best we can. I don't have my pie lifter, so I'm going to get my knife underneath this. Look at that. Look at that, fam. Nice. It's moist. I know it's hot, but fam, we in the game. All right, fam, you already know what we got to do. We got to give this jalapeno cornbread a taste test. Look at that. It got that nice cheesy crust right there. Hey, I'm going to get me one of those jalapenos that are on top. Look at that. And it's steaming hot. Yes, sir. Hey, you in the game. Hey, cheers, fam. Now that is absolutely delicious, fam. Hey, this thing got some heat to it. I told you I want all that smoke, but if you don't, hey, take that center, that core, that jalapeno out, and you'll be in the game. But cheers again. Now that is delicious. Hey, if you're new to this channel, you like this content, go ahead, smash that like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And for the Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I got to do. I got to smash into this jalapeno cornbread, and we'll see you guys later. Peace. Ooh, that's hot.